Hello, this is Mark at the Wicked Edge Expert Corner Group, and we're talking everything you ever wanted to know about lapping and stones for guided sharpening, wicked edge, and other plated mediums. And we got a mess here because we have so much going on that I'm trying to tie it together. And it came to me that why would you want, if you're a wicked edge user, which I am, why would I want to use the other mediums, the other formats? The formats are, the form factors are the wicked edge, which is like 3/4 by 5.5, or 5/8 by 5.5. Then the other guided sharpener form factors are the 1x4 from KME flat end plates and the 1x6 dovetail pointed plates that are used with Edge Pro, TS Prof, Hapstone, Sharpen All, Work Sharp. They're pretty much the uniform. So they were available out there in the marketplace. And I was with Wicked Edge with the few whetstones that I had and the other stuff that I could play with. And I have to decide, and this is a appropriate question for everybody, which way do you want to go? And the Wicked Edge, 1x4, 1x6. Well, we have a couple factors. What's available? There's stuff that I want that I can only get in 1x6, so I wanted to use them. There's stuff that is only available for Wicked Edge, but then you have to store it. So you have to consider all these different things. Are you going to get started and build a collection with Wicked Edge and have a bunch of racks and box to hold it, or you can go with the 1x6 and the 1x4 and put them in a box or a case and only have your handle. So those were the two options. And we made these options available at the Expert Corner Group with the uni handles for the 1x6. The handles are sold in pairs. They have a plate on here for working with your stone, a magnetic plate. And they'll work with all of the 1x6. So now you can store the 1x6 plates, the pairs, in boxes that you can get from different sources like Gritomatic and Hapstone, and soft cases from Amazon, places like that. So those are your choices, because besides accumulating a bunch of stones to work with your sharpeners, you got to figure out where you're going to keep all this stuff. So that's a consideration when you're looking to expand your abrasive collection. Do you want to go with Wicked Edge, which is limited? We're working on expanding it and making what's available in the 1x6 also available in the Wicked Edge form factor. But that redundancy becomes expensive and isn't really necessary when you can work with the 1x6 on a uni handle plate. So that is the value of this. It lets you use all those other things that were not made for Wicked Edge. Now you can use them, all those other things, out in the marketplace. And because they are available to us, that's why I have this mess in front of me, and we're talking about lapping, because there's so many mediums that can be used with Wicked Edge that are in the guided market arena. So I want to go through and talk about some different ones that I have here and share some stuff about them. And I want to talk about Shapton glass stones. I'm going to stop here and let's talk specifically about Shapton glass stones, and I'm going to tell you more than you ever wanted to know about Shapton glass. Thanks.